Very interesting puzzles. Let's start. What is a kangaroo's favorite year? Correct answer, leap year. What word sounds the same even after you take away four of its five letters? Correct answer, koi. Which building has the most stories? Correct answer, library. I am in life, but not in death. You cannot have fun without me. What am I? Correct answer, letter F. What three letters change a girl into a woman? Correct answer, H. I am first on earth, second in heaven. I appear twice in a week, never in a month, but once in a year. What am I? Correct answer, letter E. You can see me in water, but I never get wet. What am I? Correct answer, reflection. What falls but does not break, and what breaks but does not fall? Correct answer, night and day. What belongs to you but is used more by other people than by you? Correct answer, your name. Take off my skin, I won't cry, but you will. What am I? Correct answer, onion.